Hey everyone, welcome to our solar panel website. We do solar panel installations all throughout the East Bay area, and we are based right here in Livermore, California. Our phone number is 925-233-3762. Give us a call today to speak to a solar panel specialist and receive a free quote. If you prefer, you can fill out our quote form below with your name and phone number and any additional information you like, including your property type, whether you're residential or commercial, your address, and your email. After you hit submit, a solar panel representative will get back to you as soon as possible. We have a leading industry warranty of 30 years. We have solar panel materials made right here in the United States, and we offer $0 down financing with no upfront costs. So give us a call today or fill out our quote form, and we'd love to speak to you soon and help you save money on your energy bill. Thank you so much for visiting our website, and we hope you guys have a wonderful day.